We're here in the Amundsen Sea, which is part of the Southern Ocean close to the Antarctic. This is one of the most productive ecosystems on planet Earth, and we know so little about it.
Hey everybody, my name is Dag and I'm a captain on board a ship, the World, a residential ship, so a floating community at sea, so to speak. And we have been given the trusted responsibility of actually dropping some Argo buoys that will measure things in the ocean.
I am really excited to be part of an expedition that's adding scientific data to the world's knowledge. We've got 8 Argo floats aboard on this voyage, and we're deploying them along a stretch of what's known as the Phantom Coast. So the Argo floats are sort of deceptively simple. They just look like a long yellow tube about 6-8 inches in diameter, and you would think they can't possibly do anything terribly valuable. But in fact, they're quite ingenious. So tossed in the water, they'll activate themselves. They'll plop to an upright position and descend to 1,000 meters below the surface. They'll coast at 1,000 meters for a number of days. Then again, automatically, they'll descend another 1,000 meters to 2,000 meters. And as they rise back up from there to the surface, they'll be recording parameters like temperature, salinity, pressure, sometimes dissolved oxygen. They'll get to the surface, their antennas will be up in the air, and they'll broadcast that data back to international scientific centers. When they've done that, they'll repeat the cycle again and again and again. And they've got the battery power on board to do that for years on end, collecting hundreds and hundreds of very hard to obtain profiles.
As a floating community, it's very nice to be able to give something back to the scientific community.
These Argo floats are going to give us part of the story we need to make some of those challenging decisions in our future.